Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. It's time for another daytime, early morning. What time is it? 9:30 in the morning on a Saturday. I don't know why I'm awake right now. But this is the right-handed version of the IntelliVision True 16 arcade controller. This is the first right-handed, right-stick one I'm shipping out. Just want to do a quick video of it. This game is really good. This is Space Cadet. It's actually really good for testing all the different major functions, except for the separate buttons. I'm not usually too worried about those, but it's nice because you can actually yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, and then team size of 1, number of rounds 1, and 2 minutes. Let's go with that. And this is a true 16 direction game, which is a really good way to show, like, I kind of see why they did the 16 I don't think it was completely necessary, but it's there. Not quite sure what you're supposed to do with this game, but let's see. There's your subtle. You got direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Get gone. So it's hard to see, but you can see the subtle 16th of a direction here sometimes. That's your direction. There is a difference between the two. It's hard to show on here, but because your size of your window is actually quite small for direction. It's only 22.5 degrees of. Actually, it's less than that. It's 12.25 degrees between any given direction. So the way the micro switches work out, so your window is pretty darn small. I still have this. Let me see. Hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there it is. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They're there. It's not always the easiest thing to demonstrate. And then the main reason. What was that? Okay. I think a big reason people want the handed version is for Trons Deadly Discs, because now you can get some Robotron-like action going on here. That was a pair of tweezers. Yeah, I got 3 ones. Look at that. Get you in the diagonal. Come on. I've got some extra noise today on my converter, and I can't figure out why. I have a composite to HDMI, and it's showing up my Genesis too. I don't quite get that. I might shorten up some cables and add some extra shielding. as I can tell, yes, Tron is a 16 direction game. I'll show you real quick. Oh, my image looks so terrible today. Okay, so you got there, you got slight subtle there, and then you got your full diagonal there. Come on, get up. Yeah, goofball. And then you got kind of, yeah, it actually does have 16 directions. There's your subtle, because you have a subtle down left, and then you have your diagonal left. So it is showing up as 16 directions, I can tell you that. It might be really hard to do on the disc, but as far as I can tell, yeah, it responds to all 16 directions. It's kind of subtle, but it's there. I don't think it's really needed for the gameplay at all. The main thing is being able to control your disc throw easily like this, so you can do a nice... it's just, for me, I want to make sure there's enough palm area to rest your palm on here. You don't want to be floating out in space like this. I tend to play, I don't know why it is, I tend to play with my fingers on the panel like this. But even when I played with like arcade as a kid, I always played like this. So usually between my thumb and index finger. So that's just the way I hold the controller. Even with the bat style American or the round ball like this, this is just how I play. Don't tell you there. See, let's see. This demo is a quick. What's a good one? These are ordinary game. What was that combat-ish game? Armor Battle. That was it. Oh, what is going on with my connection today? It's so noisy. That didn't help. I'm going to try plugging directly into the converter without going through the switch box. Let's see what that looks like. About the same, so it's not that. It's so weird. Second. I don't know why it's being so noisy today. I don't get the noise today. Maybe it was a little better without. But anyway. Push disc to play. This one's a little slow, but you can see, okay, there's there. Let me see. There's the next direction over. And then diagonal. Next one up there. Next one up there. Let me blow this up so you can see a little better. Sorry about that. Let's see. See if I press up. It's somewhere a little there. There's your little direction 1. Direction 2, 3. It's a little ponderous in spots. There it is. Here's your 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one's a little tiny bit tricky in this one spot here. I'm a little. There it is. Yeah. That's all 16 directions. So yeah, that works. So yeah, this is going out shortly. I gotta take some nice pictures of it. Well, I don't know why my video signal looks so bad today. Ugh. That looks awful. I have to fix that. But yeah, that's the... Oh, you can use that too. Well, it's kind of... Oh, you can... Oh, you rotate through tanks or something? Oh, you choose which tank you want. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I died for some reason. Anyway, anyways, this is the my nice little artwork on the end there. I'm gonna take some photos and post them online shortly. Of course, it has the this is the wrong overlay, but it's got the new overlay holder with the little nice little lip on there. So yeah, that's not coming out unless you're really going gung in on that one. But yeah, that's getting shipped out today. And next one up is the Sears Super Video Arcade. Same exact controller, just with the extra colors, and it's going to have the wood grain on the front with Cyber Freak instead of Telegames. So that's going out. That'll be done. I'll probably work on that tonight and do a video on that one. So I might be a double header today. We'll see. But yeah, this is the right hand stick. This is unit number 1. It's going out. Everyone, thanks for watching and have a great day.